Today I'm going to show you how to create an automated birthday campaign with MailChimp, step by step, so you can send personalized birthday emails without manually tracking every subscriber. This is a great way to boost engagement, build loyalty, and make your audience feel appreciated. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the dashboard. After you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Automations. From there, select Flow Templates. This opens MailChimp's library of pre-built automation workflows, which is where you'll find templates designed to save time and simplify your marketing setup. Next, scroll down to the Nurture Your Leads section. Here, find the template called Celebrate Customer Birthdays, and click on it. MailChimp will show you a preview of the flow so you can see exactly what the automation does before you use it. Once you've reviewed the preview, click Use this flow in the top right corner. That will open the flow editor, where you can see the full automation map. By default, the birthday flow usually includes a Choose a Date trigger, a Create an Email action, and an Add Tag action. This gives you a solid starting point, and you can always customize it later by adding delays, conditions, or extra email steps if you want a more advanced campaign. Now let's configure the birthday trigger. Click on the Choose a Date trigger to open its settings. In the Setup window, select the birthday date field. Then choose when you want the email to be sent. You can set it to go out on the subscriber's birthday, a few days after. This is really useful if you want to send a reminder, a pre-birthday offer, or a follow-up message after their special day. Once you've chosen the timing, click Save Trigger. After that, it's time to customize the birthday email itself. Click on the Create an Email action to open the email settings. Here, you can update the email name, recipient settings, from email address, subject line, send schedule, and tracking options. Make sure the sender details match your brand so the email looks professional and trustworthy. Then, choose a ready-made email template or design your own from scratch. Add your birthday message, a friendly greeting, images, and even a special discount code or limited time offer to make the campaign more effective. The more personal and relevant your message is, the better the results usually are. When everything looks good, save your changes. Now if your plan supports it, you can also configure the tag action. Click on Add Tag to set up an optional follow-up step. Here, you can choose whether to add a tag or remove a tag after the birthday email is sent. Enter the tag name you want MailChimp to apply, such as birthday campaign sent or birthday offer received. If you don't need this step, you can remove it from the automation entirely. Just remember that MailChimp may ask you to upgrade your plan before you can run certain automation features. If that happens, you'll need to review the available options and decide whether the feature you want is included in your current plan or requires an upgrade. So if you see a plan prompt, that's completely normal, and it just means MailChimp is limiting some automation tools to higher tiers. Once your flow is set up, double-check all the steps, confirm your trigger timing, review your email content, and make sure your tags are correct. Then save and activate your automation. And that's it. You've created an automated birthday campaign in MailChimp. This kind of setup helps you stay consistent, save time, and deliver a better customer experience automatically. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more MailChimp tips and marketing automation guides.